Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Katunat Puli Putih Jangka Sorga Jela Kesantrik Nailur Arajar Pausan. Kelaraki ya ke State Level Teachers Day Arajar Pausan ke Bandar Pusau Hasusut Ham Auditorium Hagbo ulat ke Jela UCH Vijayashankar ulalong Ukangsan. Hagan digesngi ulat ula Pynkup Burom de ke State Award ki Principal ki Vice Principal bayakin Nonghikai ni ke District paper ke Jela.
Our next recipient is Srimati Pynkup. Srimati Pynkup Manga has been a dedicated educator at the school for over 31 years. Known for her strong moral character and unwavering commitment, she has consistently demonstrated compassion and responsibility. Her long-standing service, compassionate nature, and tireless effort in both education and community upliftment reflect her deep commitment to social development. She remains a pillar of strength and inspiration within the school and the wider community. With 28 years of dedicated service in education and 22 years in leadership roles, Sister Cecilia has made an indelible mark on every institution she has been a part of. Her exceptional leadership, visionary approach, strong discipline and compassionate nature have propelled St. Thomas Higher Secondary School to new heights of success. Our next recipient we have Shri Sengman Sangma, Assistant Teacher of Lower Umsi Government, Maukerwat. Shri Sengman Sangma has been serving as an assistant teacher at Lower Umsi Government LP School, Maukerwat since 1995, completing 30 years of dedicated service. He is well respected in his village for his efforts to uplift the community. Distinction for over 2 decades, renowned for her innovative teaching methods, creative writing and composing, she actively contributes to educational policy and curriculum development. Beyond academic, she served as a Master of Ceremony at events during the Meghalaya Games 2025. Her multi-faceted contributions have enriched both the academic and co-curricular activities district, who began her service since 1993 and later appointed as the school first headmistress, serving with dedication and commitment to students' welfare. Under her leadership, the school was upgraded to the secondary level in 2000-2001. Our next recipient this morning we have Shri Sukanta Bhattacharjee, Assistant Lecturer, Education of St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, Umsling, Vijayashankar District. This citation is presented to Shri Sukanta Bhattacharjee, Assistant Lecturer of St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, Umsling, Vijayashankar District, based on his last 31 years of teaching experience. Our next recipient this morning is Aswini Kumar Sarma, the headmaster cum secretary of Rongreng Giri Model Deficit Secondary School, Rongreng, Chidegre, William Nagar, East Yarraville District. This citation is presented to Shri Ashwini Kumar Sarma, the headmaster cum secretary of Rongreng Giri Model Deficit Secondary School, Rongreng, Chidegre, William Nagar, East Yarraville. In 1989, 1st April, Shri Ashwini Kumar Sarma was appointed as an assistant teacher in Rongreng Giri Model Deficit Secondary School. Our next felicitation this morning will be to Shri Maximus M. Kujur, Assistant Teacher of Bajeng Doba Government Upper Primary School. Shri Maximus M. Kujur was appointed as the Science and Mathematics Teacher at Bajeng Doba Government Upper Primary School On the 17th of April 1997 at Bajindoba Government Upper Primary School, North Garo Hills District. For over 28 years, he has shown unwavering dedication to improving education and infrastructure.
We are all here only because of that. On Teachers' Day, being honored and blessed by rain also. As soon as we begin this program, we received very good rains. Because nature is also with us. We have been involved with very good program, so that we are able to receive very good rains, and it is also being blessed in honor this program. I am very proud and happy to say that before I begin my speech, I was the son of a teacher. My father also was a higher primary school headmaster. I know the importance of a teacher. I know the value of a teacher. I know the commitment of teacher. But in anybody's personalities, two personalities' role are very, very important. First role is mother. Second role is teacher. Second part is teacher. Till the age of 5, if at all anybody teaches which is bad and which is good, what is done and what should not be done, for what we have to live in this society, and what should be our future goal, aim. Anybody at that is going to teach none other than mother. And second, after 5, when we come to the school, the second important role, that is teacher's role. But I would like to mention here very clearly, whose life is going to be brighter. In that way, if at all we think, I make it very clear here, in case of a child, in any case of anybody's life, if at all a mother not only should not be a mother, if at all she is going to be a teacher in case of her child, one side she is a mother, in the side she is going to be a teacher, molding entire life, thoughts and thinking and way of living, that child's life is going to be brighter. Second role is a teacher. If at all only they are going to teach and they are not going to give the love, where we get it from the mother. If at all a teacher is going to be fulfill the role of a mother also, that love, that affection towards the child, one side she is a teacher, the other side she is going to be a mother, she is going to fulfill that part also, that child's life going to be brighter. So in that way, always I respect two personalities in anybody's life. If at all I am able to come to this level in my life, two personalities are very important. One is the role of mother, and the other thing is role of a teacher. Not anybody else on this earth, I make it very clear here. And Shakil Ahmadji, when we used to take up the studies at the primary level, higher primary level and high school level, we have been able to see some of the cultural activities here. And music here, we are able to listen to music here. I make it very clear, some of the education department authorities who are sitting here, When we will take up the studies at the primary and higher primary and high school,
Director of School Education and Literacy, and also the Director of PM Poshan. So at this point of time, from the PM Poshan team, we would like to educate our children, our students on the importance of the iron folic acid tablets. We've received a lot of information from different schools that many children are not willing to consume the IFA tablets, and also the parents are not willing to allow their children to take the tablets because of reasons best known to them. So in order to clear all the misconceptions, in order to clear all the doubts of the students as well as the parents, we have decided to come up with this awareness or this IEC video. Now through this video, we want to show to all the student community and the state as a whole on the importance of IFA tablets and how these tablets are useful, particularly owing to the fact that we have a lot of children who are actually suffering from anemia. Now, as per sources from the health department, we have realized that those students who are having anemia, they fail to have the right concentration in school, they are weak, they're not able to perform well, and this has really affected not just their health but also their studies. So from the point of view of education and in collaboration with the health department, we are appealing to all the students and all the teachers and parents in different schools across the state of Meghalaya to please support in this noble endeavor to educate our children and our parents to come forward and accept this initiative of the government to promote the use of IFA tablets in our children. Now there are two types of IFA tablets. There are pink tablets for those who are under 10 years of age, and there are blue tablets for those who are above 10 years of age, that is particularly the adolescent population. So with the consumption of the iron folic acid tablets, it would act as a prevention against anemia, and even those who are suffering from anemia, they would actually be they would actually have these tablets as a means to cure, as a means to help them to recover from this anemia.